This video contains significant original text commentary.
Okay.
I don't want those codes with my life. Codes stress me.
Oh my god.
Not man enough.
So in my opinion, the moral of the story
What the
is that
fuck is going on?
Don't
They just
trust
went through
people.
red lights.
Last few months, what we've been seeing is essentially a dismantling of our public health guidance, of our public health agency, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. As people probably know, it's the
Where are you going?
premier public health agency in the world, and the people that work there are the best.
Again?
Health
We're doing
officers,
this?
epidemiologists, statisticians, subject matter experts on everything having.
Jesus Christ! I have a fucking green light, you fucking asshole! Alright.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
Always quick to tell you that no, this is not LA. Unless, of course, the Dodgers happen to win the World Series. They don't want me to be talking.
It would be shunted via the trailing crossover onto the up main line. Now, this might seem mental. See also
What the
Nova's
fuck?
reaction a minute ago when I explained this
Okay,
happening.
Garmin,
But actually, this
save
was allowed by
video.
the rules. Like, it's fine. It's like it's.
Fucking asshole. Son of a bitch!
Could you not even tell
Go!
if it was a man or a woman?
You could not tell.
It was that bad.
Yeah.
How did it appear to you that this car had ended up down there?
Based on the condition of the guardrail not being damaged on first inspection, the only explanation was that it had made its way through this very narrow section.
What are you doing? No!
Below.
You thought it just slid off the road in these conditions?
Monty Road.
It's funny how niggas be the best of friends and fall out of a pussy and want a dead dick man. One of my niggas in the grave, the other.
In half a mile, turn right on Firewall Street. Then turn left on Catlin Drive.
Never heard of a
Holy shit. Huh? What? Holy shit. Huh? What?
Holy shit.
I said the cabin is a dog spotted near Walmart, and Dad said, "Oh, that's a good boy. Prob girl, actually. Ask if they want me to babysit her."